In the last classes we have gone through, I said Dravidian architecture, and in the Dravidian architecture we have already seen about the Pallavas, and thereafter it is Cholas. We have seen phase 1, and in the phase 1 of Cholas you know that 850 to 985, and it is I said that it is actually the which temple is, I said that first में शिवाजी हैं, and what he is doing नृत्य मलाई, और जब नृत्य कर रहे हैं just have an imagination, you know that this is the way you can make yourself more sharper. And then he is pudi kut diya, pudu kutta in the Tamil Nadu, and that it is, I said that when there is a gate is there, and where you are entering inside there is an Ardha Mandapa and there is a Vimana, and then surrounded by 6 subsidiary shrines, which is considered as a Parivaralaya. And आप इसी को क्यों लिखोगे ना, you'll get more marks in the point forms. Point is measure, I said, an important form of what is writing. And then how much you have to write? Yes, tell me. 200 to 250 words? Yes? So, and thereafter there is which one I said that? Parivaralyas. And in the Vimana there is a sanctum, and sanctum is in a circular form. There is a Linga and Yoni are in the what I said that worships. Thereafter we have seen the Cholas, phase 2, 985 to 1070. और यहाँ पर अब शिव जी हैं, तो शिव जी को who is doing, I said, worship ब्राह्मण. Yes or not? The ब्रह्मपुरेश्वर. और ब्राह्मण क्या लेकर चल रहा है? शिव जी नाग, लोगों ने उठा के उसको कोड़ा मारा. I said that ब्रह्मपुरेश्वर, नागेश्वर स्वामी and Korangnath. Can you remember? But in this stage you can be able to see, like I said, that there is I said, coming of what? Little bit Ardha Mandapa, Mukh Mandapa, Ardha Mandapa and Antarala, and then there is what? Vimana. Understood? Mukh Mandapa has been entered. There is I said that Ardha Mandapa, after Ardha Mandapa there is an Antarala, and they're coming of what I said that? Vimana. Is it okay? And we have seen which one I said? Brahmapureshwara, Nageshwar Swami, Korangnath, and then Brahmapureshwara and नाग को कहाँ रख दिए थे? थाने में, थांजूर. और यदि इसके स्पेस को भी प्लेस में थांजूर में वेयर इट इज, तो ब्रह्मपुरा को हम लोग ब्रह्म क्या कर रहे हैं? पुल के थाने में ले जा रहे हैं, पुल करके पुल मांगी. एंड वी हैव सीन, आई सेड दैट विच वन? नाग को वी हैव पुट इन द कोना, कुब कोना. यस. एंड देयर आफ्टर वी हैव सीन, लाइक आई सेड दैट विच वन? कोरांगनाथ. दैट इज इन द, आई सेड दैट के फॉर कोरांगनाथ, के फॉर करू. इज इट ओके? एंड द थर्ड फेज ऑफ चोलास वी हैव सीन, आई सेड दैट इट इज. यस. अब यहाँ पे थर्ड 30 इंपॉर्टेंट बिकम्स. यस है ना? अगतीश्वरा, विच टेम्पल? अगतीश्वरार. देन वी हैव सीन बृहदीश्वरार. और बृहद कौन है हमारे यहाँ? यस, गंगा. और चोलास, गंगा कोंडा, गंगई कोंडा चोलापुरम. यस है ना? गंगई कोंडा. तो दीज आर द 3 फेमस टेम्पल्स. यस. एंड अगतीश्वरार टेम्पल वाज, आई सेड दैट वेर इट इज सिचुएटेड? अगतीश्वरार इन अनंतनाग. अगतीश्वरार, sorry, अनंतनाग बोल रहा हूँ. It is in the Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur. Anantnag, that is in, you know, it is in Jammu and Kashmir, जहाँ पे मार्तंड टेम्पल was there. And I said, और ये चीज़ें, जैसे एक बच्चे ने मुझसे आकर पूछा, सर कि ज्योग्राफी में ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं इस लॉन्गिट्यूड पे, यूपीएससी जरूरी नहीं है वो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, बट वेन एवर आई से सम डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स नेम्स एंड ऑल, just be a good observer. Yes or not? I used to show those places, districts and all, so that it can be asked like which longitude and latitude if the question comes at that time. Again, see this question, it is always talking about what? How you are good observer. I said that. And Anantapur, Agtiswarar, Brihadiswarar, and then Brihadiswarar and Gangai Konda Cholapuram, both I said that it the big place. सबसे बड़ा कहाँ है? ज़्यादा टेम्पल कहाँ पे? तांजूर. Yes or not? Agtiswarar temple and which one? Brihadiswarar. But in this one I said that a Gopuram concept has come. Yes or not? Gopuram concept has come. And then we have seen Mandapa. I said Gopuram, Mandapa and Vimana. And Vimana height it is able to see, I said that at Brihadiswarar temple 60 meter. And in front of it there is a 6 meter long bull is also there. Yes or not? And in the fourth phase में again it has become what? Large. It further enlarged. Thereafter we came for what? Pandyans. And Pandyan में हमने क्या बोला? पंडित ने बोला ताली मारो. पांड्या से मदुरई 1200 to 1300 AD में क्या करो? तालीनाथ. I said that. और त्रिताला कितने बार? 3 12 Tritala, that we have seen. I said that which one? There is a Garbhagriha like this, and there is a Sikhra. Yes or not? I said that वहाँ पर ताली मारकर किसको भगाना था? कुत्ती को. Kutina Sikhar. Yes or not? So Kutina Sikhar like this, it is going up to this, and thereafter there is a Kalsa. Tritala. Can you remember? Yes, granitic and all. So we have seen, and it is surrounded by Asht Parivaralyas. It is surrounded by, तो कुत्ती जहाँ रहेगी उसके आसपास 8 परिवार रहेंगे, Asht Parivaralya. Thereafter we have been able to see, I said that Vijayanagar and what? वो तो स्टोरी मैंने बताया था. Vijayanagar architecture and Nayakas. And Vijayanagar में we have been able to see the Gopuram become very much important, and that is known as the Raya Gopuram. Yes or not? And I said it started becoming larger. Fencing started also becoming larger against the safety or attacks of what? Bamni. And then another pillar is very much important in the form of mandapas. And then where it is highly decorated, yes, that is Bodegai. It is known as what? Bodegai. And there is I said Sare Gama Pa. There is 56 pillars are there, and it is I said that Vitthal Swami. Yes or no? तो हमने बोला था विजयनगर में 1000 बैठे हैं. क्या बैठे हैं हमने? 1000 बैठे हैं एलिफेंट एंड लोटस में खेल रहे हैं. यस or not? तो हजूरा टेम्पल या हजारा टेम्पल, विठल स्वामी टेम्पल, एंड देन एलिफेंट स्टबल इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आर्किटेक्चर, एंड द लोटस महल. एंड नायकास में क्या हुआ? मीनाक्षी टेम्पल. और ये जितने भी, दैट इज आई सेड दैट विजयनगर में इट इज हम्पी. वेयर इट इज आई सेड दैट? कर्नाटका हम्पी. And then we have been able to see in the Meenakshi temple Madurai, Nayakas, and that is I said that this time further enhanced, and pillars become thousands of pillars in the mandapa. And this is the way we have been able to see, I said that this one. And in the Kerala, after that we have seen Kerala, and then हमने देखा था केरला में क्या है? केला जब बोलेंगे तो गोभी भी रहेगा. केला बोलेंगे तो क्या रहेगा? गोभी. श्री कोविल. यस है ना? तो श्री गोविंद जी के सामने में कौन है? अंबा माँ भी है. श्री गोविंद और अंबा माँ. श्री गोविंद एंड अंबलम इज ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ व्हाट इज ना टेम्पल. श्री कोविल, अंबलम, एंड एक साथ में बोला था याद रखना ताली. जब देखते हैं तो आप खुश होकर ताली करते हैं. These are the 3 things which are associated in the form of temple. Yes or not? In the Kerala, and it is these words are originated from Tamil itself. 900 AD. To Sri Kovil, Ambalam, Ambama, Sri Govind, and then Tali. And now the structure of the temple, it is looking like I said that this way. It is looking like little bit I said pent roof. Can you remember? And तो आप लिख सकते हैं pent roof. Pent roof doesn't mean that only this and this. Pent roof like this. And we have been able to see there is a Sri Kovil, the main Garbhagriha. In front of there is a Namaskar Mandapam. And I said that, और इनको नहला रहे हैं पानी से, Nala Ambalam. There is an I said the subsidiary signs are I said that Nala Ambalam. Yes, we have seen like this. And in the thereafter we have seen Vesara, Chalukyas. Yes or not? So Chalukyas are during the Pallavas and all. And the Chalukyas of Badami or Vatapi, दो Chalukyas हैं ना. Yes or not? 5000 to around 1000 and 1000 AD. Yes. और इस चालुक्यास में we have been able to see I said वैसारा स्टाइल. और कौन से रीजन में? अहियोल, बदामी, पटाडक्कल. अहियोल, बदामी, होल है तो बादाम खाओ, पटाडक्कल. और कौन कौन से टेंपल थे? विरूपक्षा, विरूपाजी, मल्लिका के साथ के संग संग गल्ला कर रहे हैं, गल मिस गलगनाथ. तो हमने विरूपक्षा, मल्लिका अर्जुन एंड कैलाशनाथ, एंड देन आई सेड दैट संगमेश्वरा. Thereafter we have seen, yes, tell me, Galagnath, and then group of Padadakkal monuments. And in this one we have seen both the types of temples. Thereafter we have been able to see Hoysala of Dwar Samudra and then Rashtrakutas. Hoysala of Dwar Samudra, H for Hoysala, Hoysaleshwar temple, and H for Helibid. Yes or not? हौसला होगा तो हेल में नहीं जाओगे आप. हेलीबिड, होयसालेश्वर टेम्पल. एंड देन वी हैव सीन, यस, बेल को क्या खिला रहे हो? चना. Chena Kesawa temple at Bellu, and both are in Hassan district. Both are in Hassan district, and it is in a which type of style? Star shaped. Yes or no? Thereafter we have been able to see, I said, Rashtrakutas, and especially during the Krishna fast, I said that Ellora and Kailashnath temple. Yes, Elephanta E for Elephanta, and then we have seen there is a Trimurti famous statue. Is it okay? So we have covered till this one in the last classes. And today we have to understand the Indo-Islamic architecture. And for Indo-Islamic architecture, and for understanding better way this Indo-Islamic architecture, I'll suggest you that understand the medieval phases, because it will not help you in the architectural, it will help you in, I said that, in painting, music, everywhere. Yes, Anna? And then if you'll be able to talk about, I said that painting is very old, but the music, it is, I said that, during the Delhi Sultanate. Yes, Anna? And especially Hindustan classical music, it is older. And thereafter, I said Carnatic music during the, I said that, Vijayanagar Empire. Yes, Anna? So we have to see, and we have to very good at, I said that, this I said that Indo-Islamic. I said that it is divided into, if I am talking about Muhammad bin Qasim first, around 8th century AD came, and he want to rule India, but died early in his life. So this, his ambition has been not be able to go long. And thereafter coming of, I said that, Mahmud Ghazni. He came during the, I said that, 10th century AD, and no interest in ruling India, but he has an interest in what? Looting India's wealth from the palaces, temples and all. So this is, I said that, 10th century AD, and then I said that, which one I said? 8th century AD. And he invaded for India, I said that, 17 times. He invaded India for how many times? 17 times. And if I talk about he made Punjab is the only in his empire. He was taking Punjab for always. This Punjab region. The reason behind, I said that, to entry into India. I said that. So there should be a place where his power is always sustaining, and thereafter he attacked at several places from the Himachal till the whole this region, and looted for 17 times. And you know that this region, there is one district is Bhatinda in Punjab, and it is known as Gateway of India, and according to their Tabre Hind. Which Hind I said that? What it is known as? Tabre Hind, Gateway of India. A Gateway of India, you know that Mumbai. But the oldest to come to this region. कभी भी कोई लोग आना चाहेगा, if they are coming from the horses, they would not love to come from the mountains and all, and this is, I said, the largest plain area. Yes, Anna? And if they have to geographically देखा जाए तो they have to cross limited rivers. Instead of coming from 5, 6, 7 rivers crossing, they want to cross less rivers. And there is a large plain area. This is, I said, that Bhatinda. And directly आप लोग देखोगे, one question has come, why do the most of the battle has been taken place Panipat? One, I said the central power was, I said that Delhi. Yes, political center. And another, I said that physiography is helping. I said that this is the whole plain area. The fight can take place in which region? Mountainous region or plain area? This is the largest plain area. कभी भी आप सोचो ना कि फाइट कहां पे होगी, प्लेन एयर है और इट शुड बी ऑन द माउंटेनस ऑन प्लेट्यू, तो बिना लड़े भी कई लोग मर जाएंगे. I said that yes, if they are bringing different kind of, I said that war related equipments, they cannot come. So, and another I said that this is, I said that physiography, yes, climatic conditions, so all these are favoring to come this. So I am talking about who has taken this Punjab region always, Mahmud Ghazni, so that he can come always and attack India and looting and then go back. Understood it? Thereafter it is, I said that coming of Muhammad Ghori, which one? And that is, I said that 12th century AD. When he came? 12th. And then at that time in the Rajasthan, Delhi, parts of Punjab, there is a Prithviraj Chauhan was there. Yaad hoga Chauhanas? Yes, Anna? And then there is a first battle of Tarain in 1191, and there is, I said that second battle of Tarain in 1192. 1191 first battle of Tarain and 1192. In the first battle of Tarain, Prithviraj Chauhan was, I said that, the winner and defeated which one? Muhammad Ghori. But in the second battle, due to the, or after winning this, he was considered to be powerful. Or if you remember that, हमने बताया था Gahadwalas. Western UP under the what it is? When it is, I said that this is the Chauhans, Pratihar ke baad who came? Chauhan. And this region is, I said that Gahadwalas. And इनके ruler थे Jayachand. He was not happy with the achievement of, I said that this. And therefore, one incident was there, he was not happy. Another, Prithviraj Chauhan get in love with, I said that, his daughter, Sanyojita. Yes, and then उसके बाद जब इनको पता चला कि this is happening, then suddenly his father started doing स्वयंवर. छोटा सा एक स्टोरी समझाऊंगा क्या. And then he said that okay, do it. And he did not invite Prithviraj Chauhan, but he invited every other prince and princess. Sorry, prince and kings, nearby rulers. And at the gate, he made the statue of, I said, Prithviraj Chauhan as a Dwarpala, gate man. That he is a gate man, to humiliation. And it is already all the plans are plotted by Prithviraj Chauhan and the Sanyojita. And in this hall she entered, and the taking, I said, there is a garland, but he did not put in anyone. He directly gone to the, I said that Dwarpal, that is the statue. And at the back of Prithviraj Chauhan was standing. And then वो डाली, and then on the street, on the horse, ran away, everyone is chasing. उसके बाद fight होते रहा between Gadwalas and Chauhan. Both the army become weak, both the empire become weak. Understood? अब इसका बदला लेने के लिए second battle of Tarain में जयचंद helped whom? Muhammad Ghori. Understood it? देखो कैसा father-in-law. So he was, I said that, lifted, and he was taken to the Ghur. And then one portion was, the name was, I said that, Chandrabardai, who has written about the achievements of Prithviraj Chauhan. It is known as the Prithviraj Raso. Prithviraj. And then he was very good friend, and also I said that he knows that he is a good ruler, and therefore he reached Ghur. He was a poet. Yes or not? Then Prithviraj Raso, then the Chandrabardai, once he got a chance of one competition was there archery, और उसको blind कर दिया गया था already. It was Prithviraj Chauhan was at